Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be very interesting because I have 5 kg IEMs and one is earbud from AliExpress. These are their prices. One is $5, other is 3, 22, 112. So 4 are very cheap, and this one is a flagship IEM KZ AS24 Pro. I will unbox them for you guys and then I will make some quick tests and then I will tell you which one is the best option for you to buy. So I will present my honest opinion to you guys. But this one is actually very interesting because it's just $5 and this is a vintage earphone from KZ and its unboxing style is also very unique. So you need to watch its unboxing video as well. Welcome to my review section friends. I haven't tested any of these, I have just unboxed them. Let's start with KZ AS24 Pro. So this is a very beautiful one and it is the most expensive one too. So it has a pyramids, crystals, honey shape, golden color shell. So this one is also beautiful, but I am actually very excited about this one. This is absolutely amazing. You can see the quality. Wow, so I am actually really impressed by the finishing of KZ Saga. It's just $12. Wow, so I am very excited for this one, and it is a metal shell. Can you believe it? Similarly, this is KZ Carol. So this one is very transparent and its case is also transparent. So I will test it and then I will tell you whether it's good for purchase or not, although it already has thousands of sales. Similarly, all of these products have so many sales. This is KZ Dawn and it is not detachable. Similarly, this is EDX. No, what is this called? This is a KZ vintage earphone and this is not detachable too. Without further delay, let me test these for one day and then I'll come back with my review. Hi friends, I have tested all of them and now I'll share my quick short review with you guys. First of all, let me tell you that all of them are good for purchase, but one has really impressed me a lot. Let's start with EDR1. Sound wise, it is pretty basic, but it has full vocal clarity and thin sound. It doesn't have much detail except vocals, bass is just fine. Overall, I will rate it 5 out of 5 because it's just $6 product and vintage too. And most importantly, it has a very solid build. The second product is KZ Dawn and it has actually impressed me. It is very lightweight and the build is also pretty basic. But the sound is very refreshing, I mean very energetic for a cheap IEM like this. It doesn't have detail into it, but it has impressive sub bass boost and main bass boost too. Its original price is between $5 to 6, but here you can get it in just $3. So it is also a 5-star product for me, must try item for starters. The third product in the list is KZ Saga. As soon as the price increases, so as the detail and clarity in the sound. It has a proper detail. The sound wise, it will be good if you have a fully balanced DAC. Sound wise, it is 4 out of 5, but build quality and price wise, it is 5 out of 5. The fourth product is KZ Carol. It's an earbud. It already has so much popularity and sales, and as far as my testing results are concerned, I think it is 4 out of 5. Not detailed sound but fine sound overall. Try to get it as cheap as possible. Now comes the most expensive one, KZ AS24 Pro. A pure original sound and extremely detailed one, but only real audiophile can understand this IEM. So I recommend listening to it first if you have the availability. Look wise, they are great. They have a big shell too. So if you are interested, I will provide the discount code for this one in the description. So that's it. Overall, all of them are good according to their own specs and price offered. I'll share the discount codes in the description that are valid for almost products on AliExpress. So enjoy.